In our busy day-to-day schedule, we forget to live and have fun. Spending time with friends and family always takes a backseat. It is the time spent with them that leaves us with memories for a lifetime. We went on a week-long trip to Udupi and Mangalore and fell in love with the place instantly. So much so that we extended the trip by one more week. This is the last episode from the series before we head back to Bangalore. Get the ball. Arey Mikey, you are kicking less and falling more. Come on, try again. It's going in the water fast. Take it. It's going.
Oh shit, shook, sorry.
Shook.
The next morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. We are going to visit all the churches nearby today.
Let's go.
Later that same evening.
We're going kayaking. We're going to kayaking. Let's go kayaking, dude.
It's safe for them to climb, right? Maggie, it's safe.
I know.
No step up?
No.
Okay, then come down.
Okay, I want 2 coconuts, okay? We are kind of used to the Wi-Fi there.
Oh no, you can't.
So we're doing kayaking today and I'm just resting and Nishant is going to do all the work. Family is right there and there are a few more people with us. Are you tired, Nishant?
No.
How long can you do this?
Forever.
Really?
What's up, guys?
How's the Josh?
Guys, you're on the camera. Oh, we're crashing. We're crashing. We are crashing.
Get away!
Hard luck, guys. Hard luck for losing. Sorry.
It's a mud.
3-1. You're the only one who touched it. The grapes are sour, guys.
We came second place, you came third.
Block the way. Nobody's going this way.
Hey, no glancing at the GoPro. Come on, Danny, go for it. Take Papa to the island. Take him. Oh, that's coffee being served. It's so beautiful. The sun is as beautiful as you. मस्त बढ़िया.
संभाल उधर डिप है आगे.
Boys.
जैकेट निकालना है.
हाँ, cute life jacket है उसका.
How did you feel when you landed on that island in the middle of the ocean where nobody else has ever gone?
Fun.
Was it fun? Was it scary?
No.
No. Wow. And what do you feel about your own stamina now that you can row by yourself? What do you think about your own stamina? Are you surprised by yourself?
To be honest, that was actually easy going.
Is it? मिलेगी.
Go for it, guys.
नीचे जाना है कि मुंह लगाओ ना उसके.
See, मुंह लगा के ऊपर कर दे. Yes.
Put your face on it and then do this.
Like you're drinking from glass, right?
Yeah. Stick to it.
No. You have to put your mouth like the bottle. Like that.
Yes, that's okay. मेरा भी हुआ.
Mikey is doing well.
Like a glass.
Wow.
Mikey is doing very well.
Upper lip in between.
Danny देखो Mikey बराबर.
Yes, that's it. Drink. Very good.
Whoa.
Don't do it. Just dip once and then you won't be scared.
Okay.
Hey, don't throw.
Wow.
You want fish masala also?
Fish masala.
Dry masala. You have to put coconut and...
That I know.
I'll get-
make the same thing, but that masala little difference is there. You guys are standing next to a beautiful backwater place.
Yes.
Prawns ghee roast.
The next morning.
No, that's fine.
Wow, let's go there.
Time is 5:07 and this is fast, by the way. 5 minutes fast. Arey wait
I
yaar.
have to get dry also.
Hey yaar, what? They are not going to take a video call, man.
I don't know आया कि नहीं मैं भी उड़ी.
Go for it.
Are you serious? Floating in the ocean.
Floating in the ocean. Come on, Chichi, you also go for it. Yes. Very good. Continue. Bye. Here we are for our last dinner on Udupi.
Bye bye Udupi. I hope this restaurant is good.
Sure.
अच्छा लग रहा है ना जगह?
And बिल्कुल सामने बीच है.
Waterfall भी है.
You can't see anything.
अच्छा यहाँ से we can
Yeah.
go to the beach also.
But कुछ दिख नहीं रहा ऊपर.
It's sturdy. There you go, buddy. ये जाम पीले शराबी.
Lemon juice है.
And there comes Joe Sharon. Finally found his way to the restaurant.
Light up here.
Bye. Chalo, bye. Take care. Yes. Look, this is a small waterfall. Mikey, you can climb this. What do you think?
What's Chandru doing? Wow.
Finished our breakfast and we'll continue our journey to Bangalore. Food wasn't great, but the view was awesome. So we stopped as Sabu has a call and she has an office call, so she's attending for me.
1 hour later.
Sabu's call is over and now we're going back. Pack up guys. It's a wrap. Veg wrap.
Thanks everyone for stopping for me.
नहीं चलेगा, हमको ट्रीट चाहिए.
What?
Thank you. I said thank you for.
No need. No, we need party. Thank you, किसके चाहिए?
Next trip is sponsored by Sabu.
You can go back.
Waited. is so excited.
Getting in, baby.
This is a different empire. Whoa, empire. Stop drooling. He's been waiting for this moment since so long.